Dyson from Luxury Locations, and today I'm on the south finger of Jolly Harbour. I'm here to show you Lime Cottage. Let's go take a look inside. Lime House is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom property on the south finger of Jolly Harbour. It's literally 2 minutes walk to the beach. And as you come in, you're greeted by this really nice open plan kitchen. You have your living room and your entrance hallway, and then you have 3 bedrooms with 2 bathrooms. Let me show you outside first. So through the sliding doors, you have a really nice under-covered area for your dining, and that leads onto the decking area, and you've got a really nice gazebo with seating there, and you have a great view of the ocean. Let's have a look. This undercover area is a really great space to have evening cocktails or just to lounge, read a book during the day, and you have a lovely harbour view. Let's go and have a look at the bedrooms. Leading from the living room, you have this hallway, and as you go down the hallway, you have the bathroom here, so the guests from the kitchen and the living room can use it, and then you have your 3 bedrooms. This is the master bedroom. You have a great size queen bed with bedside tables, really nice Caribbean style vaulted ceiling, you've got your fan, nice patio doors, and an ensuite bathroom. This bathroom is fully tiled with travertine. It's a really good size. This is the second bedroom, which also has a queen bed and bedside tables, built-in wardrobe and a nice high ceilings. Now each room in this property has air conditioning. The property is partially furnished, which means you can have extra furniture and put your own stamp on the property. Let's have a look at the third bedroom, which is unfurnished. So this bedroom's got no furniture in at the moment. The owner has left this blank so that you can decide if you want 2 twin beds or a double in here. We're in the open plan kitchen here, and it's got a Corian worktop, good size fridge, built-in stove and extractor fan. Let me give you a rundown of Lime Cottage. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. It's around 1,300 square foot, and it's on the south finger of Jolly Harbour, and it's a couple of minutes walk to the beach. I'm sat here on the patio deck area with a great view of the harbour, and there's also space for a boat. Around 20 to 30 foot would get in there nicely. It's partially furnished, but all the furniture comes at the price of $675,000 US. So if you're interested in having a lovely home on the water at Jolly Harbour, this is a great place to come and see. It would also make a really good vacation rental house. So if you're interested in this property and you'd like to know more, please contact us at info@luxurylocations.com. And if you like our videos, please subscribe to the channel